Alright, welcome to the SAM project video tutorial for the Corona Medical assignment. This is SAM Module 4 Project 1, or A. So the first thing you're going to do is open up that data file, the 4A underscore your name underscore 1, do the file save as, change it to 2, and then we can get started. So the first step says, as an executive at Corona Medical, you are drafting a business proposal. It must contain 1,000 words or less. And so let's go ahead. On page 1, expand the character spacing of the paragraph executive summary. So we're going to select that executive summary. We're going to go to our font group, advanced tab. So that font group launcher, advanced tab, and then spacing. We're going to expand it by 2 points. Alright, let's go ahead, OK. Then it says format the bulleted list in the objectives section, so right down here, as follows. Demote the 2 bullets sales and under the sales and marketing. So we're going to go down over here, and I'm just going to click that increase indent. It's going to do the same thing as demote. I'm going to change the color of the bullets, so click on the little bullets, change the color. And this again, this is the 4 leveled list. The color of the bullets. And you can go right here, define new bullet, font, change the color right here to Aqua Accent 5. Okay. Or the other way you could have done it is just select the bullet, come over to your font color, and change it to Aqua Accent 5 that way. Both of them do the same thing. Alright, now it says sort the 4 paragraphs in the company background. So company background, we're going to sort those 4 paragraphs in numerical order, I'm assuming, in ascending order by paragraph. So we're going to go to our sort, our paragraph group, sort paragraph text in ascending order. Alright. Then it says on page 2, split and merge the cells in the startup costs table and insert a formula. So split the cells containing the text requesting funding and total amount. So we're just going to come right over here, go to our Table Tools Layout tab, split cells into 2 columns, 1 row. Boom. It says insert a formula in cell B9, so that's under this requested funding. So in cell B9, that sums the values above. So in our Table Tools Layout tab, Data Group Formula, Sum Above. Okay. And then it says merge cells B, C, and D9. So this is B, C, and D9. We're going to merge those ones. So let's go merge. Alright, the next step says format the startup cost table as follows. So here's the startup cost table. We're going to change the top and bottom cell margins to 0.04 for all cells. So cell margins, top 0.04, bottom 0.04. Alright, and it says shade row 1 using the Aqua Accent 5 lighter. So we're going to go to our Design tab, and then Shading, Aqua Accent 5, lighter 60%. Change the direction of the difference provided by owners. So insertion point in here. We're going to go back to our Layout tab, and then our text direction. We want it so it reads from the top to the bottom. So click that one time from top to bottom. and then resize column A using AutoFit. So we're just going to come up to this first column and then come over here, double click to resize that. Alright, step 6 says format and sort the table in the roles and shares. So right over here. So it says sort the table in descending order by the number of shares. So we're going to select this table, and then we're going to do a sort by. Make sure you select this header row, share, make sure you have header row selected, and you want the number in what was it? Descending order. Okay. Alright, then change the color of the table borders to Aqua Accent 5. So our Design tab, our borders. I'm going to go to Borders and Shading. I'm going to change my color to Aqua Accent 5. Change all the borders. We're going to distribute the rows in the table. So I'm just going to select my rows, my Layout tab, and then distribute rows. And then change the width of column C to 1.35. So the width of column C to 1.35. And then align the percentage amounts using the Align Center Right. So we're going to do the Align Center Right, and that's in our alignment group on the Table Tools Layout tab. Alright, then it says Format the Shaded for More Information section at the bottom of page 2 as follows. Change the indentation of the two paragraphs, 2.5 left indent. So click on those two. I'm going to come to my Layout tab, and then in my indentation group, I'm going to change that to a 0.5 left indent. It says format the heading for more information in small caps. So our Home tab, Font Group Launcher, Font, small caps. And this says update the field after the number of words text. So right click, update field. Alright. And then it says insert a draft 1 watermark. So we're going to go to our Design tab, Watermark. And we're going to scroll down to the draft 1. So here's the draft 1. And it wants us to do just the draft 1. Alright. Then it says add a cover page as follows. So I'm going to go Control Home to the top of my document. I'm going to go to my Layout tab, or excuse me, my Insert tab, Pages, and then Cover Page. And we're going to choose the Slice Dark cover page. So here's our Slice Dark cover page. In the document title, we're going to type Corona Auditory Testing. And then in our document subtitle, we're going to type Business Proposal. Little p. Alright. So Corona Auditory, Business Proposal, and then here is the rest of that document. Alright, so go ahead and save it and submit it.